people will need clarification on that issue. And young Canadian also say has to folk say Oma make attempt say Omu Tria Eugene is good for the club because see every year omo enya sa legal puzzle no Eugene omo ye experience ewo that field.
My time in number channel passe me dey abeta mo liters bi baba.
Okay.
But say the question nyambo china.
Okay.
Anopa. Tino yenko.
Eugene has a folk empanyimfo and a mesra omo say omo make sure say Reni Hendek sikano. Reni Hendek issues no. Omo betimi astnase na the needed approach Eugene. Omo betimi aboa ama has a folk etimi a movie from that position. Eugene now can say the counsel for Reni Hendek David Winnie lawyer ni Eugene onya anase onya kunya call law school anase you call me to the bar on the 3rd of November 2009. That means over 15 years Eugene. And me no ka say oye Gilson Gray, a legal firm in England, ono na ye head of sports that particular firm in Eugene. David Winnie oye very very dangerous, and ye hwenu say has ebetimi aboa na omo etimi asolve some issues because the man in question Eugene say only ne ye adwuma no anya very careful obe help the woman say house of folk say see you know the David Winnie ne client Reni Hendek Shishane say house of folk EBPS can because in August Wabra FIFA did the official release permitted house of folk moment mean signing player both locally and internationally. There 3 transfer windows. Eugene, 3 transfer seasons. House of folk it means signing player both locally and internationally. And house of folk so man PS kana David Winnie is an attempt say Eugene or the house of folk ebeko FIFA. I'm a FIFA a punish house of folk. It's Mianka say David Winnie in August on Union TV3 a interview, and this was the remarks. Or say they've got 3 transfer windows in which they must pay this with interest. Even has to folk omo money because story no epeja no not Reni Hendek epese omo ba to a negotiation table and has to folk etwetwe omo na yase ema asem go do FIFA no has to folk is paying plus interest. It's a hokra no has to folk company for more has to folk. Now yan 20 speech in this was say if they don't, we a statement by David Winnie. They've got 3 transfer windows in which they must pay this with interest. If they don't, I will go back to FIFA. At that stage, I can either ask for the team to be relegated or for the club to be put out of business, and I will have no hesitation in doing that. In closing the club down, FIFA has a bigger hammer, and if House of Folk keep messing around with Reni Hendek, I wouldn't hesitate to use it. And he said, the news I am from say to go after the start payment processor. Oman honya with the payment process because baby House of Folk air trade corner. And here not for the first time. Yababa witness a club that has never been relegated from the top flight, not because of performance, not because of points accumulation, but because of lackadaisical attitude by the club administrators. It's Eugene. the yes House of Folk management and say Winnie Hendink and the lawyers the solicitors David Winnie they have bad plot for House of Folk. They have bad plans for House of Folk. So House of Folk we might be laughing at the wrong side of our mouth. We the sports presenters, football followers. Oh, so has a free marine coverage pure. But ideally, say has called relegation as a sports journalist. You do man no kakra ebe ko form because ye super class and report on.
Tabi ende say nya no kwa e benya tough matches ye be nanse kra no super class no kra no attention e wo say nya no kra enya ne sa
ideally but as a sports journalist you can
e be to you no
okay man
to you yeah
I think say has core relegation e be ha me
but mo one ye me be
because the coach even called for negotiation at the early stage.
Okay.
And I'm watching try on na say and I do this stage. It is said the news and not from a minister omo kwakutua omo honya you okay. Say the bear and could do Opemsuo a team poor David Winnie enya obetimi ade abe House of Folk. And kakra bi on Jay Sapon. Jay Sapon you know how credible he is. So the woman not to wha Eugene on too. Because I think say
right up bia I say on new other telamte so bien no so wakasa ejabeto Ghana obien no so wakasa e wo niema okohu ye ne de okofam 11 wonders
you superfitted only 3 games Odate did about 7 games but on why did
so Odate ni obi a he doesn't like talking on pekasa but Jay Saponi obi a yen kana no ntumo ana de obehu no obeka so atiase eno no huni say Jay Saponi ka aputu mpanifo on their toes unza ne voice a boy o catch or say yes or say omo asem ne ba na omo ka mpanifo a mo sise teams net na mo frɛ from mo say minim za otini sas na asem na o kan ono obi a obeka to put you on your toes eyen crofoma na mo de omo ni omo ye adwuma. So
one I think he has to do this say on trade on copy
can some say 3 days na place ni di yen and na de chinya PFG for na ekọ
I think so
and say in a way kra no me ka say in a way no or that time 11 wonders boys no in a way or that lamty
as compared to
Jay Sapon because in the ekoso but you decided to keep mute one can hurry and I was say adwuma no ntimi nya biem and we gya adwuma na to say na ye wo it bia bi mu a 3 days 4 days na place ni di omo ko training a omo tete trom ebi kura pa omo ma and all can Jay Sapon kura say kit officer no kura dey ada open no ba and e come de nya meda adwuma
you when will this thing sees our Ghana Premier League.
This is Ghana a year for no bit answer.
You just said none will be about the autonomous league. I think next week you go do one komogaka.
And confirm one semoma ate.
You solution about Boama League.
Autonomous league. I don't know two just say autonomous no more club bia say 100,000 say 200,000. What is a club you have? Club say
BBN Gold Stars. See your clubs are in 50-50 about the autonomous league. I think this autonomous league no all these things it will wipe away.
Doctor